Let's get all meta on Meta, shall we? Direxion's METU and METD provide two powerful options to trade on Meta's stock, seeking respectively 2x leveraged and -1x inverse returns on Meta after fees and expenses. We've all heard the story of Zuck and the Facebook, one of the original social networks. But now it's so much more, with Instagram, WhatsApp, Reality Labs, VR, AR, AI, even Ray-Ban smart glasses. And while they may envision a whole metaverse of virtual 3D interactions and immersive communities, in the real world, their stock price faces very real volatility when you consider factors like user metrics, ad revenue, competition, and regulatory environments. And they've weathered the market volatility better than many of their peers. Ultimately, you don't need to get all metaphysical on Meta, imagining some alternate virtual metaphor for life. Face the facts and book your ticket on the Direxion Meta ride. METU, Meta going up. METD, Meta going down. And that's WhatsApp. An investor should carefully consider a fund's investment objective, risks, charges, and expenses before investing. A fund's prospectus and summary prospectus contain this and other information about the Direxion shares. To obtain a fund's prospectus and summary prospectus, call 86-647-67523 or visit our website at direxion.com. A fund's prospectus and summary prospectus should be read carefully before investing.